Tier 500, here I come. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where I teach you how to make money online fast and easy. In today's video is going to be very short. I just wanted to tell you that I've just been tier to tier 500. This has been a long awaited tier up to tier 500. I have now about 1,000 sales, I think 1,100 sales or more. And I was expecting to be tiered up ever since I hit 100 sales. It's a 100, but unfortunately, due to some circumstances, I reached out to Amazon, and Amazon said they aren't tearing up again based on just sales. There are other factors determine you to be tiered up. And to be honest, it didn't really bother me that much because all you need is one slot in order to make money on Merch by Amazon. So I had over 100 slots and it was more than enough for me. So I wasn't really bothered that I wasn't tiered up to tier 500. So I just kept on doing me, doing what I usually do by promoting my t-shirt designs on YouTube, which if you haven't watched the video, I would recommend that you watch these two last videos. This one right here, 293 sales per day and 257 sales per day. Yes, these videos show you in depth how I was able to make those sales on Merch by Amazon per day. So that's literally all you need in order to succeed on Merch by Amazon. I've tried it, it works. It has worked for me. It's definitely going to work for you. Just be patient, keep on pushing, and you'll definitely be teared up. I really recommend that you go over these videos. It literally tells you everything you need to make sales on your print on demand business using Merch by Amazon. So guys, like I said in the previous video, if you are having issues getting a Merch by Amazon account, I can be able to help you. Just shoot me an email and we'll work it out. So just to summarize it, if any of you haven't watched these videos yet, I'm just gonna quickly summarize it for you. But I encourage you to watch the videos because it's gonna give you the breakdown, step-by-step method to get sales on Merch by Amazon. But if you haven't watched it, I'm just gonna summarize it for you. What you need to do is to first of all get your pick a niche, and to pick a niche, I give you the top 5 print on demand niches to focus on for the week, and I do that every Monday. And if you haven't watched the other videos, I recommend that you come to this playlist and click on this one right here. It says print on demand niche research. So I update this list every Monday. I update it with the most recent print on demand niches to focus on. Once you've gotten your niche, the second thing you need to do is you create your t-shirt. And I always use Vexel to create my t-shirt because I want professionals to make my t-shirt for me. So once I've sent in a request, depending on your tier, you're gonna have a number of design requests per month. In the lifetime membership, which I paid $500 for it. If you want to learn more about Vexels, there's a link in the description below to learn more. And once my design is ready, they're gonna send me an email, and I'll download the design and upload it to Merch by Amazon using Fly Upload. There's also a link in the description for Fly Upload. You can use the code Vanessa10 for a 10% discount. And once I've uploaded my design to Merch by Amazon, the next thing I need to do is to promote it. So I usually use YouTube to promote my designs, and I search for my niche on YouTube, and I contact the YouTuber for that niche that I want to work with, and I email the YouTuber, going to the YouTuber's page, going to the about page, and scrolling down and grabbing the email from here. And once you grab the email, shoot an email to the YouTuber telling him that you want him or her to promote your t-shirt, and ask him how much you should pay and their address, so you can ship a sample of your t-shirt to them that are going to wear on that day that they're making a video, and their followers are going to see the t-shirt, and if they like it, they're going to purchase it. So that brings me to the fifth step, which is putting your link in the description. So I always advise that you go for Amazon Associates. Associates is Amazon's affiliate program where you recommend products and you earn commissions from it. So what you're going to do is once you sign up, you're going to grab a link of your t-shirt, and you're going to take that link, give it to your YouTuber friend to put it in the description of their video. So when they make a video about your t-shirt, they're going to put this link from Amazon Associates in the bottom of their video. And once anybody clicks on that link, you're going to be paid for referring that customer to Amazon. And if that person makes a purchase, you're also going to be paid by Merch by Amazon. So it's like being paid twice. So that's why I always recommend that if you're going to promote, use the links from Amazon affiliate program. So it's like you're being paid twice for the sale of one t-shirt. So that's how it was easy for me to achieve over 1,000 sales in, if you can see it down here, right here, it's the current year 1,163 sales. So it's actually the sales that I was able to make in the space of 3 months. The first 2 months were very, very little sales because I was just struggling to find out how to make sales from Metro Amazon. So the first 2 months was really, really slow, but the third month, wow, it was very, very fast. Once I stumbled upon a system that worked for me, I just kept on going. I've tried Pinterest ads, I've tried Twitter ads. It didn't work for me. I even tried TikTok ads. Yes, guys, I even tried that one. So I was doing some testing here and there, and none of them worked for me. And I decided to give it a try with YouTube ads. This actually is not YouTube ads. I'm talking about YouTube ads using a Google program. This one is not YouTube ads, but I call it YouTube ads because I pay for promotion. Or do I say influencer marketing? I'll just go with influencer marketing to not to confuse you guys. So I tried influencer marketing using YouTube to be specific, and it worked great for me. And why I like using YouTube is because these videos are gonna be on YouTube forever, guys. So whoever watches your promotional video and clicks on that link, you will definitely get your sales. So whatever you're promoting for that price is gonna triple over because YouTube videos last forever. It's not like maybe a Facebook post that is gonna be pushed down the algorithm, and you're not gonna see it. Even a Twitter post is gonna be pushed further down, and people who are coming or joining the influencers post, they won't see that post anymore. But with YouTube, it's different because videos are the future, videos are the present, and videos last forever. People prefer to watch videos as opposed to reading the post. If you guys haven't noticed that, yeah, that's what people do nowadays. They prefer to watch videos than to read. So promoting your t-shirts on YouTube is the way to go, guys. It's gonna last on YouTube forever, and as that your influencer keeps on getting more and more subscribers, that's how those new subscribers are gonna be discovering your t-shirt video, and you're gonna be making passive income over and over again just from one promotion. So it's really the best method to go with. It has worked for me. It will definitely work for you. Just follow these steps and you'll definitely make some sales. So guys, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to learn more about Print on Demand and KDP, this is a channel for you. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you be the first to notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you in the next one.